Hey everyone, this video is a special one because we've hit a major milestone, 10,000 subscribers. To celebrate, I've got something exciting planned. We are going to dive into a bit of coding and create a fun little application that randomly selects one lucky subscriber's comment. The owner of that comment becomes the potential winner of an awesome giveaway. But here's the important part. Make sure to check the video description for all the rules and details on how to participate. So stick around because you might just be the lucky one. Let's get started. First thing first, we are going to kick off by creating an empty project on my GitHub repository. I'm going to call it Python Comment Picker. By the way, feel free to explore the projects on my GitHub. I'm always open to collaboration, so if you see something you like or have ideas to contribute, don't hesitate to jump in. The link to my GitHub is in the video description below. Alright, if you've been following my past videos on this channel, you know I'm a big fan of working in dev containers with Docker and VS Code. It just makes the development process so smooth and efficient. So I'm going to create a basic Python dev container and bootstrap it right here in Visual Studio Code. And there you have it. Our Python dev container is up and running. Now we are ready to start coding our comment picker application. After initializing our GitHub repository with the proper commands for setting up the remote, we are ready to create at least the basic Python hello world that will print and test if our dev container is working correctly. Perfect, our hello world is echoing loud and clear. Now, here comes an exciting part of our coding. Since I'm always up for learning and improving my coding skills, I've decided to enlist the help of ChatGPT. I'll be seeking assistance from this incredible tool to not only enhance my Python scripting, but also to show how effortlessly it can generate Python scripts from scratch. Let's go ahead and ask ChatGPT to create a Python script for us. Our mission to extract a random topic from comments based on video IDs. Okay, as you can see, you'll need your YouTube API account. Make sure to initialize a new project on your Google Developer dashboard, retrieve the API key, and then use it in our project. Additionally, you'll need a Python library for this script to work. With just a few commands in the dev container itself, you can easily install the required library. Okay, now I want to push this simple idea a little bit further. I want to retrieve the most popular comment based on an array of video IDs. So once again, I'll need to ask ChatGPT for the trick script, and I also need a few YouTube video IDs that I'll retrieve from my YouTube Studio dashboard. Okay, after testing the scripts multiple times in one go with various video IDs, I went ahead and refactored the code, making a few changes compared to the ChatGPT version. I've pushed everything to my GitHub, so you can find the project there and have fun testing or improving it yourself. That's the idea. Stay tuned for the next video and don't forget to read the video description to participate in the giveaway. Exciting things ahead.